Hey creators, welcome to episode number 7 of Create with Cubelets. In this episode, we'll explore how to create, name, and save a Blockly program using Cubelets Blockly. We'll be picking up where we left off at the end of episode number 6, where we explored the main Cubelets Blockly screen. So, dive right in. Here we are at the main screen for Cubelets Blockly. As you can see, I'm already paired with a robot construction that has a battery, Bluetooth hat, and flashlight cubelet. In this tutorial, we are going to create a program for the flashlight. Just like Personality Swap, Blockly programs are for individual cubelets. By default, Blockly will always show a blank program to begin working on. If I want to create a new program, in addition to the current tab, all I have to do is click this little plus icon. It will open up a pop-up asking me to create the name of a new program. Just type in a name and click Create. If I want to switch between programs, I can click on the tabs like a web browser. To help me remember what program I'm working on, I like to name my programs. To name a starter program or rename any program, just double-click on the name in the tab at the top. This triggers a pop-up window where I can rename my program. In this case, I'll name it Flashlight Hello World. Now, I'm not going to put anything in this program until the next episode, but I want to save this program. To do that, just click the Save icon in the menu above the canvas. Select where I want to save it, then click Save. This will keep my work until next time when we create our first Hello World Blockly program. Until next time, have fun creating with Cubelets.